Brown stew, some chicken. Something there work. Something there, you see it?
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Alright guys, so I have to get this. So we're up here today, just checking on the progress of the pen, and look what I've come and seen. These are not ours, by the way.
No.
But they're here. So this is a male pig.
It's a male, yeah.
Do you know what type of pig is this?
It's a burak.
A burak.
Yeah,
That's what you
man.
want,
That's the
isn't it?
burak, yes.
Burak.
This one, two other sides.
Okay.
Start with.
Snorting.
Two other sides, a female.
Yeah.
One, two other sides, start with, a female. That kind of pig.
Mm-hmm.
Burak. That's one of the top thing in a pig. Burak and Canadian white.
Okay. So this is
a
a
burak.
male burak.
Yeah, and I want to go something that.
And that's a small one.
That not grown. That not reached nowhere yet. That not reached nowhere yet, man.
Alright, and then this one. And next male one.
No.
Is this a Canadian white?
No, that's not the Canadian white.
Okay.
But that's a good.
Okay.
Good breed of pig. That big pig.
Look at this. How much pound is this?
Yeah,
about
bigger than that. I know. Yeah, I couldn't tell how much pound that's right there. You know it's after that.
But they're bigger than that as well.
Oh, I'm telling you, man, that joke thing that I got. We are talking about pig and joke thing that. Yeah.
So look, it's right next to the butchery.
Robin, go put them in the car.
So you know what they're ready for.
That's what my door.
Yeah.
I'm putting them in there.
And the other one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's standing up.
See them, man?
Mm.
Yeah, big that is. Trenton.
Trenton, yes.
Good old Arnold.
Trenton, my mom says that. My mom says that.
Trenton, that's what we call Trenton.
Trenton, yes.
Arnold.
Hey everybody, how are you doing? Good morning. I'm home alone today. Yeah, I rarely say that because I'm never home alone. As you know, Outlaw and I are like this. Where you see him, you see me. Where you see me, you see him. We're like Batty and Bench, PP, cluck, cluck, right? But today, Outlaw has gone to country. He's gone to Brownstown to go and oversee the completion of the pen, of the pig pen. I said I'm not going. I'm not going today. I've got things to do at home as well. And do you know what? I just needed a rest. Like, I think it's about 8:30. And I've just got out of the bed. And it was so good. Like, this last couple of weeks, we've been on the road like 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 most mornings. So I need, you know when your body needs rest? Like, my body's telling me, you need the rest. So I was like, I'm not coming this morning. Plus, I've got so many other things to do. I've got to work from home today. I've got so many other things to do that I need to do. I'm falling behind on certain things. Even editing and vlogging, like we haven't even picked up the camera. I've got so many stuff to edit. And I've got some other little bits to do as well. So I said, you know what? I'm going to stay at home today. You go and do the pen with the men. You guys going to do all that. Because you know, guys, yeah, it's not really my thing. But, yeah, I'm at home today. So Outlaw's going to do his thing. And I'm just at home today doing my thing. So yeah, let's see, maybe Outlaw will be vlogging, I hope he will, and be showing you guys the progress of what's going on up there. I think today they're going to be, as you guys see, the foundation has been laid, so I think today they're going to use plywood and box around the pen, and then throw the cement, mix the cement and throw it in, and keep the boards on for a few days to cast it. I'm sure he will show you what he's doing. But yeah, I'm just going to be here chilling, relaxing, and doing work as well. So that's what it is. But guys, it is a wet day outside. Look at this. So people, it is a wet day today outside. See, yeah, it's a rainy day. So I'm glad I didn't even go anywhere because yeah, the weather's not very inviting today. So I'm just going to stay indoors, stay nice and dry. Yeah.
And as I'm praying, my peeps, give thanks for life. See how things set up? I that me say. Yes. That's how we think so. Put on some things, create the board, put up, and we put the things together, some ply, So you put this thing on. Line off the inside. Yeah. Line off the inside. One pepper going like, see him there? Problem that in. See him there? See him there? Problem that in. See him there? Can't get it from the thing, one of them. All week. All over there. See.
Mike, you want a long one?
What? What? Come on, you can find one different name because one of you know. I hold for make it there this man, I never plan for it. But that's how you think. Yes, the whole thing I go on. My friend grew up there. We grew up together from our pitney. Yeah. So we get back together now. Put the thing together. Yes, frame up. Nice. Trade man, I made up in there. Measurement is good.
It's a party.
Good.
It's like a party that board in a BB.
Sure. You can get two more of that.
The party concrete. No, party no concrete.
Yes, stuff I dig up. Huh? Yes. Stuff I throw up and mix up. Yes, so we have to do that. Robin? Who? Yeah man, she go man, she take care of some computer thing.
Okay.
Yeah man, you know the thing go. Yes. So you know that's something I have to go on when you think I go on, don't? That's something. It's a must. That have to go on for it to go on. Prep. Yes, material. Move and the box up. And there's everything there. Sit there. That me say. Up and moving. You know the thing I go on. I cook some food, make the thing go on, you know. So you know the thing go. The chef there. Put him thing together, don't? Right now. Yes. The pot of a cook, you know, meat pot and food pot, what is up on the fire and all these things. Yes. Some chicken the rice, so we cut up and put this thing together. Nice piece of yam the rice. There's some food we are cooking on, and upon the rice nothing, you know. Food we are go. Yes. Yes. Some yam and some breadfruit and some. What's your thing name down there, sir?
White House.
White House. Right now. Real good old food. Alright, now what's the way I go on now? Box up. Box up. That's up here. So everything there. Yeah, right. Treatment I move there. Yeah, treatment I move. Box up. And I straighten steel. For real.
All time, yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. You just want to find a crook, you know. Or an itch, you know. Everything pitch.
No man, over Robin you care from.
I talk about the strength of the thing now. See there? Tie the steel. For real.
See, the angle job in us, man. The pipe one.
Yeah, me pick one professional thing we are dealing with. So we get professional people to deal with it, you know?
Leslie.
What is that?
Look at that. Look in the place, man. Go on, let's one job, pipe.
Drawing.
Wash and
No man, it don't really matter.
Okay, alright. Cool. Strength of the thing that. Right, that's over there. Alright, man. You know, these and that's me come this man because these are take care of something on the line there, and now I think how the internet work. These are part of the thing that should take care of that today. That him come with me today. But the thing have to go on, though. Big up these are. Man of the empires, girl. What a cook. Everything I simmer down. Work, man. I will tell you. Brown stew, some chicken. Something there, work. Something there, you see it?
eat, man.
I will tell you, man.
Good old White House in a pot here, you know?
Good like that. White House and dumpling and that and yellow yam.
Yeah, yellow yam.
And something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it work.
It's working, man. What is it?
I'm not taking real jerk.
Hey.
Yeah, man, that's something the man work man to eat food. Something and them food ready. Got me taste the pepper then. Taste the pepper, boy. Oh, yes, mama, you eat food? Ah! What do you mean, mama? You can have food around here. Let thing go. Put some food here now. And all these things. Right, man. Chicken.
And pepper dumpling.
Pepper dog, pepper tough down. Kiss pepper nice. Pepper beating up bad right now, you know. These are paste.
Bad man.
Pepper go hard, man.
Right.
That's everything there. Yeah.
Man, when it's early to prep.
Let me carry the brother.
I'll give you my space a bit of shot.
No, I got a friend, you know. I'm going to check me because I can't go, man. I get my foot better quick time, you know.
Last time you go a doctor.
Yeah,
Right
man.
place. I'll be 15 years to get you back to work.
That the man in now, man, because me not charge so much.
Yeah, well, you would have made a couple down next month, or you?
You know.
Yeah.
I don't charge so much, man.
Concrete in a boxing, you know. Big stick full up that, you know. Now concrete set up. Push anything in it loaded, you know.
Really? You must say this one now come to the height of the place. Yeah, look at it. It all come to the height of the back one. Yeah, that's what I said. So watch the front one. I can't start up. Start from up there, Charlie. The concrete run, you know?
I can probably go back.
That's right. Right.
Right here, top there.
Not the top of that. A little bit lower than that.
One lower boy only.
I'm actually back in the man. I see a 10 line, man.
Put the back now, I'll put the back. DNJ, that. I put the shaft up one back line.
Yeah, I'm like,
What? Still, that should I
okay, around that side.
Yeah? I end up there around. Around 40 down here, no. Buy one case again.
Yeah, man, it look nice too, man.
Concrete good mixer.
Yeah,
I want to mix it.
I want to mix the concrete, Sabu. The concrete good.
Yeah, man, give me props. Give me props.
Very good.
Give me props. Yeah, man, people, you think nice also.
Mike, you're not ready again,
Man,
soapy.
yes, it's soup, you know.
Soupy.
You run good party
Soupy.
to go, yeah. Don't leave your dish. You go share it. It's soupy.
That man only have bad concrete.
Yeah. That's the thing there. Pull up. Right along the free up. See there. Cast up, you know. Nah, these things. Right now, them things. Yeah, this is the cast. Back from cast. This is the cast, sir. Just like how them a build a new house them nowadays. I see them make that big penny. Yeah, so them do them. Most of them new houses are box and cast. Just like when I do to the big pen right now. Same thing I do to them new houses. Joke, nah, you can't build my house, give me. You can't build my house like that, give me. Black and steel and the whole work from start to finish. How come can't suppose to give me for $1 million? Not me, typical Jamaican. Not working, not signing. Yes. The box here, go. Yeah. Last time, I'm the part now. You ready for that side now, though? Cool. So that's how I finish off. And the side I finish off. So we have 2 sides left around there, so we're going to do them right away. Get to the point. Not itching. Nah, skin in the kitchen.
You never know what you're going to see when you come up. So see the pen right there? See the pen there? Yes, the pen. I wasn't here yesterday when they were doing it up. Or the day before, should I say. And look what I've seen. A cow. It's not our cow, guys. Somebody else's, but look. Cow. Just, you know, relaxing and grazing, I guess. And chilling. Yeah. The pig pen there. Come along. So I haven't actually seen this yet, apart from on video. Yeah. You see cow? Yes, guys. When you come, just expect anything when you come. See cow? Cow.
Yes. Open farm.
Yeah.
That's a go on.
Yeah,